This is my new PVC storage rack, and it took our RC airplane collection from looking like this to this. RC planes come in every shape and size imaginable, which makes storing them a giant headache. I've tried hanging them by the landing gear, by the propellers, but none of it worked for every plane. So half my fleet ended up scattered across tables, couches, and even the floor. So I finally decided to fix my storage problem once and for all. I bought some PVC pipe, sketched out an idea, and built a rack that actually fits all my airplanes. And it could be the perfect solution for your RC storage too. Let's get building. So this has worked really well for organizing and storing all of our RC planes. And one of the big things that works really well on this, because this PVC does have a bit of a tendency to have a little bit of flex and give. These are paracord ropes that are tensioning it that keep it from bending forward when we get the planes loaded up there. Some weights really help keep this rack extra sturdy. So we'll go ahead and get some airplanes on there and you can check that out. All the planes stack up really nicely, and you could obviously tailor the length between these to, like, we could have this one a little bit closer and shorter, and so that's just gonna be something you're gonna have to try. But the great thing about this is we do not have any glue on any of these fittings, and so if you wanted to change this in the future, you could definitely do that. One of the mistakes I made when I built this rack was I got the PVC pipe that's rated for, I believe it was like 200 PSI, versus getting the stuff that's rated for like 480 PSI. And so the thickness difference is pretty big. And that really helps stiffen the rack up. I've got just some pipe insulation, and the lengths of these are 12 inches, and that seems to work really well for most planes. And one thing about this is if you wanted to scoot this out from the wall, you can even get planes with like the extra, with the wings on, and you can put them on the rack with the wings on. If you guys want all the details and the dimensions for what we've got here to build your own, we'll have that link in the description. We hope this helps you with your RC plane storage and helps you keep your planes organized and out of the way for your next RC project. We'll catch you next time.